Okay, I haven't found it yet. Should be somewhere. Oh! Oh, there it is! Oh, I see it! Oh, there she is. I see her. Oh, she's running! Oh, she's running!
Which one? I don't know which one to get.
Get the Chips Ahoy! Pokemon! Oh.
I've only got one left now.
Get the red one, get the red one. And there's a whole bunch of snacks over here too. So
I'm a bit worried about that
we're
one.
gonna have to, I think we're gonna have to do more than one video.
What should we start with? Hey guys, welcome to another strange random video that we decided to do because we wanted to.
Yep.
So today we are going to be trying different American cereals because when I was walking with my mate Gerald, we found this store that just had all different kinds of imported foods. So yeah, we got these from Candy and More. We ended up spending a lot of money and it was really cute because the owner Tanya came in and she was like, someone's buying all of my stuff, this is amazing. And we were like, hi.
She was so confused. She was
Yeah.
like, what's going on?
It was so
She's
good.
so
She's so sweet. They actually gave us these socks.
Socks.
So we're gonna wear them whenever we do a food video now. Thank you so much for all of that. That was really kind of you.
Right,
Yeah.
what are we doing
Okay.
first?
I was just so excited the fact that there's Pokemon cereal.
Beyond, like, I've never even heard of this.
I am so glad this exists, and why did it not exist during my childhood? I'm very sad.
I'm upset.
Oh.
Ooh, very vibrant.
So I want to try them dry and then with milk.
Okay.
So I've never really been a fan of cereal. Whenever I used to eat cereal, it would usually just be Nutri-Grain as a snack.
Oh
in a
yeah,
Ziploc
I
bag.
love Nutri-Grain. I used to always eat cereal growing up. Oh wow.
I don't get how that's a marshmallow. It's still crunchy. It's very berry. What's the
That
flavor?
is so strange.
The flavor is berry bolt.
I like a sweet cereal, but that's very sweet.
I don't know if it will make it better or worse.
Yeah. Makes it better, I think.
Yeah.
More palatable.
It was palatable before.
It was very overpoweringly sweet.
True. Actually,
On
yeah.
its own, the milk sort of,
Dilutes it.
yeah.
Would I eat it again? Yes. Would I buy it again? Probably not. As a kid, I probably would have loved the fact I could eat Pokemon cereal because that would have made me feel like empowered and amazing.
I probably wouldn't go for it again, but it
Just the
wasn't,
fact
it
that there's a
wasn't that
Pikachu on it gives it.
bad. Gives it credibility.
Yeah. Okay, so next up we have Reese's Puffs. Oh. You smell
Oh
the
my
peanuts
God.
straight. Oh, I like that.
That's very nutty.
It's really, it's
That's
nice.
actually not bad. I actually don't mind that.
I'm vibing this one. I should probably wait for you to try it.
Hang on.
Can you just
Oh,
like
man.
wait for me, please?
I should get a little jug for our milk.
The little jugs.
Oh!
After this one. After this one. Okay. Yeah, I like this one.
I actually like that.
It's not as sweet. That's why I like it.
Yeah, it's nowhere
Oh.
near as sweet as the other one.
It's just the right amount of peanut butter. This is fire. I would definitely eat this and buy this again.
Me too.
This is really good.
I'm genuinely so surprised at how much I liked that.
I know. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. Stop it. So Flavia's been wanting to use these jugs forever, and we've never used them.
Look how cute!
So now we get to use them. Yay! Oh, so cute. All right. Ooh.
Ooh, I am very excited for this.
But I mean, the Reese's Puff was great, so I'm hoping this is good. That's a lot of sugar.
Smell
Okay,
it.
you ready? I mean, yeah.
Yeah?
It smells like those chocolate wafers.
Huh.
I'm confused. Let's try it with milk.
Tastes a bit weird.
It tastes a bit weird.
Hey, yo.
Hey yo. This makes me feel so much more like happy.
I know.
It just
Yeah.
kind of tastes like a watered down Oreo. or milked down Oreos.
I don't think it really tastes like Oreos. It doesn't hit the mark for me.
I mean, I enjoy it.
It's not bad by any stretch, but it doesn't hit the mark Oreo-wise for me.
Oh, you know when you don't eat much sugar and then you have sugar and you're like,
oh. Yeah.
It's me. I'm like, oh my god, dying. Just like,
No,
eat quicker.
I like them.
I thought you just said you didn't like it. Oh, you didn't think it represented Oreos in a true light? I can feel that. Yeah, I thought so too. Don't you agree? I actually knew what you meant though. The next one we've got is Lucky Charms.
Lucky Charms!
Lucky Charms!
I'm so excited.
I've just seen this in every single
Everything.
TV show I could,
Everywhere.
like I could say. Oh!
Way!
That is so colourful. Let's try
Give it a go.
the plain bit first. You right? Yeah. No, the plain
I
bit.
dropped it.
That's.
I wasn't watching what I was doing.
Okay. Okay.
That tastes like Cheerios to me.
Okay. You want to try a little marshmallow? Thanks.
Oh, that is a bright blue. Oh. Oh no.
That's very sweet. Oh my god, I want a rainbow. Oh, missed my bowl. These are so full of sugar.
There's no nutrition in there.
Oh, the like color from the marshmallows, like kind of goes.
Oh yeah,
into
mine's
milk.
going blue. It's so sugary. I mean, if it was just the plain bits on without the marshmallow bits, I would actually quite enjoy this.
But then it wouldn't be magical. Like actually, yeah, if it was just all the plain stuff, it would taste a lot better to me.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're adults. We're thinking about our health. I would eat it again.
I would actually eat it and buy it again.
I think you like this one next.
I'm really excited for this.
It's like, of course, come on, America. It's like, chocolate chip cookies. How can we make this into a cereal? Just make mini ones.
This is like, I'm pretty
Fire.
sure this is gonna be like Cookie Crisp, which we have in the UK. Ooh.
This is something I would would have, like as a kid, put in a Ziploc bag to like snack on at school. Would I do that now? Maybe. Maybe with the Reese's one.
Actually, genuinely, yeah. Yeah.
Eh? You didn't do anything. Crap.
Okay.
It's better with
There we go.
milk. Yeah.
Everything's better with milk. See? Life lessons.
Yeah. I like this.
I would eat this again.
Yeah, I'd buy it and eat it again. So the last one we have is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm really excited. I've heard good things about this one.
Yeah.
I just love anything cinnamony.
Cinnamony.
Cinnamony. Oh. Oh, this will taste so good
I
with
reckon,
milk.
yeah, it's gonna taste so good with milk.
Oh, I'm so glad we finished on this one. Cheers. I was about to be like, oh, let me be cute and pour it in yours. I might wave.
Please don't give me your soy milk. I actually really like that.
This is my favorite. It's
Yeah?
so sweet, but it's good. It's like having a cinnamon scroll.
Yeah, with a bit of milk, with a glass of milk. Can't go wrong.
When in doubt, glass of milk.
Honestly, yeah.
Oh, this is absolute majestic. So these two are hands down death in the best way. It's like the child in me is absolutely like so happy right now, but the human, but the adult me is very much
The
like
human in me. What are you? Demon.
No, the adult in me is like brush your teeth, make sure you eat a lot of
Have
fiber
some
and
fruit,
protein.
yeah. Well, that was pretty successful overall.
I enjoyed all of it. I just enjoyed some more than others, and I won't name names because I don't want them to feel bad.
Really.
And we will have more videos to come. You
Sugar's
finish.
getting to you.
You finish.
It's
I
twisting
can't.
your tongue.
You finish.
We're gonna do more videos like this. We've got loads more snacks to try. Probably don't eat these every day, but having them every now and then is fine.
I really like the cinnamon one.
Cinnamon. See you next time, guys.
so good.
Why can't I stop eating? I have no control.
Can we go to the gym now?
Yeah.
Put it down.
Alright. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.